In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate video using Nano Banana. Let's dive right into it and explore each step in detail to ensure you're all set to create your own video masterpiece. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Gemini. This online tool will be your starting point. Open up your browser and navigate to Google Gemini's main page. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Add Files icon. It's an essential part of our next step, so go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to upload files, and in this case, we're particularly interested in uploading a clear, well-lit image of the character that you wish to feature prominently in your video. Make sure your image is as sharp as possible to ensure the best result. After uploading your image, it's time to enter your text prompt. Think of this as giving the tool its creative direction. The more specific you are, the better. So when crafting your prompt, consider specifying the style and environment that you'd like your video to embody. This will guide the AI in applying the aesthetics you're aiming for. Once you've entered your text prompt, the next step is to click on the Generate button. This is where the magic happens, as the AI takes your instructions and applies the style to your image. Once you're satisfied with the results, you can proceed to download the newly styled image. This is crucial because you'll be using this image in the next steps to create a video. Now, with your downloaded image from Nano Banana in hand, we're going to switch gears and proceed to AI Studio's VO3 interface. Head over to your search engine and type in AI Studio's VO3 interface to find the page. Once on the interface, you'll see an option for VO3. Click on it and look for the Get Started button. By clicking on this, you'll be accessing the tools needed to bring your video to life. After that, you need to click on Generate Media, which will guide you towards the last few steps. Once you've done that, locate and click on VO. Now we're getting to the fun part. Here you'll upload the image you just generated from Nano Banana, and alongside it, you'll type in your video prompt. This step will tailor the video content to fit the image and style you've chosen. The AI will then work its magic and craft a video from the information provided, using the image as the visual core around which the video will be built. And there you have it. You've now gone through all the necessary steps to generate a video using Nano Banana and other supporting tools like AI Studio's VO3. With practice and a bit of experimentation, you'll be creating stunning videos in no time. Thank you for watching and happy creating.